So here's number 8 at 195. So I'm going to look at the unit circle and come up with 195, 150, and 45, right? Yep. So this will be sine of 150 and 45. Y'all can hear Miss Reiner. Okay, so again, AB. So sine, cosine, cosine, sine. Okay, so this would be, again, the formula that's on your sheet for sum and difference. And let's see, what is sine of 150? 1/2. Cosine is square root 2 over 2. Cosine of 150 is negative square root 3 over 2. And sine of 45 is square root 2 over 2. This cleans up to square root of 2 over 4. And this is what? Negative square root of 6 over 4. So square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 all over 4. Okay. And again, that looks like to be the exact same answer as the other one, but again, there's only 5 numbers on this unit circle. 9 is cosine of 285. And if y'all trust me, I got cosine of 240 plus 45. So cosine, cosine, clap, sine, sine. So cosine of 240, negative 1/2. Cosine of 45 is square root 2 over 2. Sine of 240 is negative square root 3 over 2. And sine of 45 is square root 2 over 2. And then we get negative square root of 2 over 4 minus a negative square root 6 over 4. And then those two negatives will give us a positive. And you are done. Okay. So now we're going to go to do number, we're jumping back to 14. Okay, so number 14, amplitude. So remember A, B, C, and D. Be careful, amplitude can never be negative, so my answer here is not going to be negative 8, but just 8 and a flip. Midline is going to be your D value, so here's A, midline's your D, so the answer is 7. Okay. Formula for period is 2 pi over B. Our B is, remember, we're not going to pick up a theta, it's just going to be 5 over 8. So B is 5 over 8. I'm going to write it like this. Keep, change, and flip. 16 pi over 5 is your period. Phase shift is opposite C over B. And my C value was pi over 2. So if my C is pi over 2 and I need the opposite, so it would be negative pi over 2 divided by B, which is 5 over 8. Keep, change, and flip. We get negative 8 over, negative 8 pi over 10. Take a 2 out, negative 4 pi over 5. Okay. Let me turn my page. Again, A, B, C, and D. Amplitude, 9. Midline is 1. Oops, let's pull this down. For number 15, period is 2 pi over B. And my B value was just plain old 9. So this one's sweet. So it'd be 2 pi over 9. That's it. C is going to be negative 3 pi over 2. So phase shift is opposite of C over B. So if C is already negative, we're going to make it positive. Divided by 9. We're going to put this over 1. And we're going to keep change flip. 3 pi over 2 times 1 over 9. And I get 3 pi over 18. Let's see if I can squeeze this in. Which reduces 2 pi over 6. Okay. Okay, and number 16. Again, you will have your identity sheet. We did some practice yesterday on this. Okay. Here we go. We're going to prove the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So cotangent is cosine over sine. And this is what I'm going to do, divide. Cosecant is going to be in terms of sine 1 over sine. Keep, change, and flip. And notice here, I'm left with cosine and we're done. Okay, nothing crazy. Okay, so a little bit different. Different and not, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so sine, remember we want to leave it alone, so we're going to leave it alone. So sine x, I'm going to put it over 1, times cotangent, which is cosine over sine. Oh, this is sweet. And the answer is cosine. It can't get any cuter than that. Or can it? Dun, dun, dun. So cosine, tangent, cosecant. Okay, cosine, we're going to leave alone. Put it over 1. Tangent is going to be sine over cosine. And cosecant is 1 over sine. Ooh, Slasher Fest. Too bad it's not October. Get it? Halloween. Slasher Fest. When y'all wake up, it'll be funny. So notice I have a cosine on top and on bottom. They cancel. And we have a sine on top and on bottom. They cancel. And I'm left with 1. Well, that was fun. I wish you good luck on your quiz. I know you'll be fabulous.